All right, week number 2 of my day trading career is officially over. And look, it's been an interesting week. Let's jump into the numbers and take a look. All right, so week starting the 25th, we started the week off with a $96 profit. Had a few winners, a few losers on this day. Overall, the market was actually quite good, trending quite well, but just couldn't really take advantage of that momentum. Got stopped out a few times. I think my stop loss was just a little bit too short on a few occasions, so we could have profited a lot more that day. Tuesday the 26th, this wasn't entirely my fault. A loss of almost $1,200. So we were actually up $200 on this day, and I learned a valuable lesson on this day. My very last trade, we made about $150. And I forgot to clear my stop loss. So I think I had maybe 7 micros on a stop loss that I forgot to clear. Closed the computer off, went to bed, and when I woke up in the morning to check my account, I realized what mistake I had made. So we ended up closing that one off for just under $1,000 loss on that occasion. So I've definitely learned a valuable lesson to make sure you're clearing all of your trades before you close the computer down. Wednesday, we didn't trade. I've decided that the Wednesday is going to be my day where I just sleep through. I don't get up to trade, because that way I've got Monday, Tuesday, I get a good sleep in on the Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday to trade as well. If we come over to the 28th, I had a $337 loss. Again, not great. Probably on tilt a little from the Tuesday, losing so much money. Just made some stupid trades, didn't really think about it, wasn't patient, just all the basic stuff that obviously new traders do. Definitely working on being more patient coming into the new week. And Friday, I didn't actually trade. I actually thought I'd hit my trailing loss, but it turns out we've still got $400 left to play with on this particular account. I did actually purchase a new account thinking that we had hit that drawdown. I purchased a funding ticks account, which we traded on the Friday. I actually traded during the overnight session, picking up a few trades here, and we managed to profit just over $92 on that day. I quite enjoyed trading overnight. Obviously, there's not much volatility in the market, but I feel like it gives you a lot more time to think about what you're doing and placing your trades and being more patient. Whereas when I'm trading the open, I find because the market's moving so quickly, it's so volatile, particularly for a new trader, it doesn't give you a lot of time to think about what you're doing. So I find I really do rush into a lot of trades. Week 2, overall, not great. I did purchase Patrick Whelan's course, and I've sort of worked my way through that. And I definitely have identified a few areas where I am making mistakes. One of them is when I do spot a bull flag or a bear flag, I feel like I'm entering it too early. I need to wait a little bit longer, let that consolidation period happen for a little bit longer before I start placing my trade. So that's one thing I've picked up. And probably another thing I picked up from the course is not every day is going to be a really good trading day. It's going to be very choppy some days. There's not really going to be a trend or any momentum. So not every day is a good day to trade. Maybe just sit back and watch the market, wait for that momentum or continuation to occur, and then look to take advantage on those days. So all in all, in terms of P&L, a bad week number 2. But I think week number 3, I feel like I've learned a lot more this week. I'm definitely going to scale down on the micros that I am trading. I've been trading anywhere from sort of 5 to 10. I'm actually going to come right down to 3 micros. Given I'm really just trying to learn the market now, there's no point in just continuing to blow up accounts. I just want to focus on making sure my bad days are limited. So I've actually put a stop loss in. I'm going to put it in around about $300 on Tradeovate. So my worst day, a loss can only be $300. And I'm really going to be aiming for anywhere between $400 to $500 profit on those other days. So we'll see how that goes. Just continuing to learn on this journey. I think we're a long way off profitability yet, but we'll see how week 3 unfolds.